week in Baltimore. Follow your favorite team all season long with iTunes.com/NFL. All right, Brian, here Andy Reid. Your team's getting kicked around 35-7. It's the last game of the year. Many believe this will be the final game as head coach for Andy Reid after 14 years with the Eagles. What do you say to your guys at halftime?
Well, you got to dig deep. You got to be all about being a professional. He's had to deal with this the last half of the season about who we are, what we're going to do going forward. You're going to have to dig deep here. Tie into all the emotion you can against a division rival right here beginning with this series to see if